So today I'm going over how to set up a meeting using Doodle.com. And the reason for using this website is because it allows you to set up a meeting on different dates and different times. And people are able to poll in and vote and let you know what times are best for them. So first things is they do have like a premium. If you want to pay a small fee, it allows you to do a little bit more things, but you can use it for free. So you go to create a doodle. From here you're going to enter the title of your meeting. So for here I'll just use Kanice meeting. Location, since it's online on Google Hangout, I'll put Google Hangout. And then add note is optional. I'll just skip that. And from here, you want to give access to your calendar. And for me, I like using the month option. It just allows you to see it better. And from here, you are able to select the dates that you want to use for your meeting. So say that later on in the month, I want meetings scheduled for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the 20th through the 22nd. So I'll go ahead and select these dates. Select the 20th, 21st, and 22nd. And here I can add times. And you can add the same time for all 3 days, or you can choose a different time. So here for the 20th, we'll say the start of the meeting's at 9 a.m. and it'll be an hour long. Go to 10 a.m. And say on October 22nd, I have something to do in the morning. So I'll move the meeting to 11 to 12. And then here, back to the normal schedule of 9 to 10. You click continue. And from here you select how you want the polls to come in. If you don't want the participants to see each other's names, if you don't want to make comments, you can select the option to make sure that they only have one selection for the poll. So you can do multiple things right here. And we'll put limit participants to a single vote. Here, again, with the premium, you're able to set a deadline, automatic reminders, you can use emails, phone numbers, all that. You go to continue. And from here, enter your name and email and click finish. And from here, you have your link. And as you can see, the location is Google Hangout. Here it gives you the meeting details for each day, and you're able to pull in right here. And once you send out, you select your people and you're able to send out the meeting, then you'll end up receiving a poll of people that can make it for the meeting on the 20th or the 21st or the 22nd. So a very helpful tool.